Choosing the right window installers can make a significant difference in the outcome of your home improvement project. To ensure you hire the best professional, here are 5 crucial questions to ask your window installers. First, inquire about their experience and background in window installation. An experienced installer with a proven track record is more likely to handle unexpected challenges efficiently and deliver high-quality workmanship. Ask potential installers how long they've been in business and how many window installations they've completed. Ensuring your window installers are licensed and insured is crucial. A license demonstrates that they have met necessary industry standards, and insurance protects you from liability in case of accidents or damage during installation. Always ask to see proof of both licensing and insurance. Different homes have different window needs. Some installers specialize in certain types of windows, such as double-hung, casement, or bay windows. Discuss your specific needs and see if they have experience with the type of windows you want. Specialized installers can offer valuable insights and ensure your windows perform at their best. A detailed written estimate is essential for understanding the scope of your window installation project and avoiding unexpected costs. Ask for a comprehensive quote that includes labor, materials, and any additional fees. Compare estimates from different installers to ensure you get a fair price. Understanding the timeline for your window installation is crucial for planning and minimizing disruptions to your daily life. Ask the installers about their availability and how long they expect the project to take. Reputable installers will provide a realistic timeline and keep you informed throughout the process. In addition to these questions, check online reviews, visit completed projects, evaluate communication skills, understand the warranty, and trust your instincts. These steps will help you hire the best window installers for your project. Hiring the right window installers can make all the difference in the success of your home improvement project. By asking these 5 questions and following the additional tips, you can ensure you choose experienced, reliable, and professional window installers who will deliver high-quality results. For a free, no-commitment estimate on new windows or doors, give us a call or text today at 210-461-2066. Upgrade your home with energy-efficient windows or doors. Save on energy bills, enhance your comfort, and boost your home's value. Don't wait, text us now.